mentioned recently that automation has helped you with our current situation with COVID.
Investment in data, digital automation has hugely aided us during the Covid-19 pandemic. If we look at the basics of automation, which is single data entry, consolidation, predictable process, it all adds to how it helped us in that journey. I had to get 1,500 people working remotely. Overnight, I had to keep service levels to the business and clients at the same level and transform a majority paper people business, which was Lloyd's Market, to a e-trading via PPL process overnight. So I think automation helped me in the fact that where we had staff in different locations in different times, the single point data entry via automation meant that it didn't affect our process. Robots don't need to work from home. We also, where we had this huge 50% increase in e-trading, where automation was part of that process, the scaling up, it didn't matter. It was seamless. It just gave us the opportunity to increase the capacity. And again, most importantly, there was no change or seen difference from our client's perspective.
So it's clear from certainly the last few weeks that our landscape is going to change. How do you anticipate automation helping you to move forward in that new world?
That's quite easy to answer, especially from an insurance market perspective. It gave the insurance market the boot that it needed. It forced everyone to experience alternatives through digital and technology platforms and, more importantly, automation. And hurrah, it worked. And I think from our perspective, it just meant that what we've invested in automation over the last couple of years was absolutely the right direction to go, and that we need to carry on doing that. The global financial impact that we're all going to see in every business in the next 6 months, there's going to be a real focus on cost. And, as far as I'm concerned, RPA and automation is an easy win for everyone. It will give an improvement in service as they work from this new remote working environment. If they need to look at reduction of cost or saving of cost, then RPA is definitely the way forward. From our perspective, I see us transgressing from the data processing, data entry RPA to a much more intelligent solution of machine learning and AI. So, anything from email triage, from translation, and I think more kind of independent information gathering.
Your culture at sort of Hyperion RKH creates a really good environment there for people to look at this and to innovate and change. Can you comment on that?
We are very proud of our culture at RKH and the wider Hyperion group. We're a people first business, and that's not just representative in our culture, but that's representative in our shareholding, but also how we embrace innovation and change. And when we introduced automation to RKH, we fundamentally wanted to make sure that it was a symbiotic relationship between the robot and staff. So the robot doing the mundane processing, data entry, letting our members of staff progress further and learn more. But more importantly, we asked our staff where they could utilise automation in their aspects of the business that will improve the service or add value. And that's not just technical processing and finance, but that was all areas. And that roadmap, as you know, is very full. And again, not just for our business, but can we get automation into our clients and improve that service and improve that relationship. Innovation absolutely underpins our culture. We have our in-house InsurTech Hyperion X, and we absolutely encourage our staff in Hyperion X and within RKH to embrace innovation and add value to our clients.
Reboot.